Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to fix recycled barcode issues on Amazon without losing reviews. Let's get into it. Amazon's barcode policy has changed, and it's causing problems for sellers who previously used recycled barcodes. The main issue is that Amazon now requires GS1 barcodes, and if your product is flagged, you're told to close your listing and start over, which would mean losing your reviews and rankings. But the good news is there's a way to fix this without losing everything. The first step is to create a new ASIN using a GS1 barcode while keeping all product details the same: title, description, images, and variations. This ensures that Amazon recognizes it as the same product. Now, instead of simply switching over, the key is to request an ASIN merge. You merge the old ASIN with the recycled barcode into the new ASIN with the GS1 barcode. When done correctly, this allows you to retain your product reviews, rankings, and even the ability to continue using old barcode-labeled inventory without issues. The challenge is that Amazon seller support does not provide a standard process for this. It often requires multiple support tickets, escalations, and persistence. Many sellers have had success by submitting around 50 support tickets per ASIN before getting a response that works. It's a frustrating process, but eventually you'll find an agent who understands and approves the merge. The key takeaway is that while Amazon's barcode policy is strict, you don't have to start from scratch. If you're facing this issue, be prepared to duplicate your listing, request an ASIN merge, and persistently follow up with seller support. If done correctly, you can transition to GS1 barcodes without losing your hard-earned reviews and rankings. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.